Yes. I need some fuel in my airplane.
Okay, it's way back there, and if you wanted to come in, you can sit down on the couch, and the bathroom is up
Will you give me a guide?
Sure, they're right there.
No, I mean, stand up and show me.
Oh, okay. That was where the couch is. I'm rotating you. That's where the couch is. That's the men's room, and that's the women.
Okay.
And this is our settling room.
What's going to be in here?
There's a lot of stuff. Maybe a Coke machine. And
Is this going to be the pilot's lounge?
nope, I'll show you.
Yo, this is going to be the pilot's lounge.
It is?
Show me where the classroom's going to be.
Follow me. If you need me to hold your airplane here, I will. Here's the classroom. We might have a TV in here, just like they had when we first got it.
How old are you?
7 years old.
When are you going to be 8?
Is it 10? Let's go downstairs.
Hold on, tell the camera bye.
No, we're not done yet.
Okay. What do we got to do?
Come on.
I'm following you.
Here is our airport outside.
That's a pretty plane.
Follow me. If you're ever out here, you need to use the bathroom.
Yeah, we don't want this part isn't done yet.
I know. And that's our locker room. Well, come on, follow me. We're not done yet. We have a dirty room up there.
That's the storage room.